Tina and I are heading to the Guinness Brewery, the only Guinness brewery in America. It's in Baltimore. It's in Maryland. It's like 15 minutes away from the house. So we've been here before. Last time I was on call, got called in. So we're gonna go and see it out again. Okay, we're here at the Guinness Brewery. We're about to partake in some of the delicious beverages they have to offer us. Tina's wearing fit. Look at this fit. Damn. Guinness, Baltimore Brewery and Barrel House. Welcome to the only Guinness brewery in the USA. This is round 2. This is the drought, unfiltered, hibiscus, and fez. Or crab poutine. Via this girl. It's gonna happen sooner. Alright, what we have here are all like caskets and stuff, and an Asian girl.
What?
Learning about
What did
history.
you say?
Chug, 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 chug.
I chug on my own.
And this is where all the magic is done. And here is a easy, short guide on how we brew. 3. Mash.
This?
Ton. 4.
They look the same.
Lots of turn. 5. Brew kettle.
Does it all happen in the same thing?
Tina, I'm not a brewmaster. I have no idea how to make beer.
You brew beer with
Woodwork. Wood cooler. 8. Yeast. Fermentation tank. 9. Centrifuge. 10. Resting tank. 11. Filter.
They should have put the numbers out there.
12. Bright beer tank. 13. The beer.
You know what I mean?
Tina's mad that I didn't say that. The reason that they don't identify them is because if you did, you wouldn't have to take the tour. You would just go with them. You don't have to take the tour if it's all identified. Yeet.
Oh,
2 cans. What do you want to show? What are these things, Tina? Looks like all the stuff that makes like Seagrams. Bio Reclaim. Seagrams. 7 Crown. Ugh, Smirnoff. Gross. Captain Morgan. White rum. Crown Royale. Yeah, apparently this is where everything was done. This is like a very long history making alcohol.
that's a cool fact.
That's why we put our brewery on the site of the first Maryland distillery, opened after Prohibition. Last time I was here, there was a girl here with a book. She told you about all like the history of Guinness. So would I recommend going to Guinness Brewery, the only one in the US? Absolutely. It has a lot of different brews here, a lot of different beverages to try with some food. I actually suggest you probably eat somewhere else. Probably eat beforehand and then come here. Drink as much as you want. If you have kids, bring your kids in like the nice weather times. If it's like colder, I highly suggest you don't. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of stuff you could do inside without breaking anything. But yeah, if you have like a bunch of friends, if you're just chilling, go there. Go to the brewery and bring your wife, your fiance, your girlfriend. get her all drunk on different types of beverages. She'll enjoy it and have a fun time. So yeah, this is Adam. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. And Tyler, I'm watching you. I'm watching you, Tyler. I'm watching you.